What's up, garden? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Chosen Rose. If you are new here, I dare you to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and at the end of this video, leave a comment down below if you like this lip scrub or if you plan on giving it a try. You guys, it is really easy to make. All you need is sugar. It could be white sugar or brown sugar, honey, and cinnamon extract. Now you can also make this with cinnamon powder, and I can make a video for you on how to do that as well. But today we will be using cinnamon extract. Let's get on into it. First, you want to pour 1 and 1.5 tablespoons of honey into the bowl. I like to visually measure the honey because I don't like to pour it in a first bowl and then pour it in there, because the honey is going to get stuck inside of that first bowl and then I'm not going to get that exact measurement. So I like to visually measure. Then you want to pour 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon extract into the bowl. Then you are going to mix these two ingredients together. Lastly, you are going to pour 1 tablespoon of sugar into the bowl. And that's it. You have now made a delicious and edible cinnamon lip scrub. You can put the lip scrub inside of a small container like this for convenience and storage. As far as how long this lip scrub will last, I will base it off of the ingredients' expiration dates. So if, let's say, the honey expires in a week and the cinnamon extract expires in a month, then this lip scrub will last for 1 week. And of course, because I mentioned it is edible, after you are done exfoliating your lips with this lip scrub, you can lick it right off. If you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, be sure to smash that subscribe button and comment down below if you like this lip scrub or if you are excited to give it a try. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Later, garden.